Well, I've got a good one today. 4 layers and 5 colors. The top layer is green and black. The middle layer is white with some colored inserts. And those have hanger holes for powder coating. And inset behind that, the back layer is black with the keyhole hanger for a 2-penny nail. And the white layer lets some black show through, and the green layer lets some white show through. And the white layer fully supports the green layer, and the green has a slight overhang on those common edges. And it's 24 inches wide and will weigh 4.7 pounds with 16 gauge material. So I think that turned out pretty good. That's all for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.